be honest. The biggest problem in learning English is not grammar. The real problem is environment. Most people study English, but they do not live in English. That is why today we take the first real step, building your private English world. First step, turn your phone into an English teacher. Open your settings now. Change the language to English. WhatsApp, Instagram, YouTube, everything in English. At first it will feel uncomfortable. That is normal. Your brain is learning. You will start noticing real words daily. This is not forced study. This is natural exposure. Second step, create a small English corner in your room. Just one side of your table. A notebook, a pen, some paper. Write one English sentence every day. Stick it on the wall. That is enough. Make English feel normal. Third step, choose one English input source, one YouTube channel, or one podcast. Listen to the same one daily. Do not jump between many sources. Fluency comes from familiarity. Now the most important rule. Do not make English a daily decision. Make it a daily habit. Same time, every day, even if it is only 20 minutes. Remember this mindset. You are not alone. You are in training. Discomfort does not mean failure. Discomfort means growth. English is not an exam. English is a lifestyle. In the next video, I will show you how to improve speaking, even without a partner. If you are ready to train, comment ready.